So the last time we were in London, I shot a video about big dreams on the other side of Royal Albert Hall, because this is my big dream, is to do a tapping presentation here. And we just finished a tour and got to go inside and learn more about it. Now I'm even more enthusiastic about presenting here at some point, but I'm not there yet. And we may have a lot of goals and things that we want to achieve, and sometimes it feels really close, and sometimes it may feel really far away, and there's that part of us that has that impatience, that feeling of, I'm not there yet. And so maybe we can help to feel more peace by doing some tapping. So you can find more information about tapping in the information down below, but for right now, if you're willing to take full responsibility for your own well-being, just tap where I tap and repeat back what I say. Even though I'm not there yet, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm not there yet, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I'm not there yet, there are things that I want, and I just don't have them yet. Places that I want to go, and I'm still not there yet. And that can feel uncomfortable at times. And I can be impatient at times. And even though I'm not there yet, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe anyone else who might be involved in these feelings. Because I choose to feel that free. I'm not there yet. I'm just not there yet. There are things that I want to have, and I don't have them yet. Things that I want to do, I haven't done them yet. Places I want to go, and I haven't gotten there yet. And that can feel uncomfortable. And in terms of law of attraction, that discomfort doesn't help me manifest it. The upset about not having it yet can continue to manifest not having it yet. I'd rather feel that I do have it. Because there is only now. I choose to be in the present. Feeling as good as possible. How do I imagine that I would feel when I have it? When I do it? When I get there? How do I expect that I'll feel? And could I allow myself to feel that right now? How awesome it feels. And maybe part of me is afraid. If I allow myself to feel that good right now, I won't bother to do what it takes. Oh well, I've already gotten the reward. No need to put in any more effort. The only thing that's going to motivate me to get there is the pain that I feel about not being there yet. And that's just old programming. old misunderstandings, and I'm processing those. What if I allowed myself to feel how awesome it would be? And then part of me said, yes, that does feel really awesome. Now I'm even more motivated to make it happen. And the extent to which we don't have what we say we want tends to be the extent to which we're resisting it. So I'm clearing any resistance that I might have. Any reasons why I shouldn't be there yet. Any reasons why I shouldn't have it yet. Allowing myself to process those doubts so that I have even greater freedom to achieve it, while allowing myself to feel peace right where I'm at. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to feel more joy, to feel more excitement about getting there. And that can be your motivation far better than being motivated by misery. And you get to enjoy the present right now, and it'll help you be even more patient. And it's been said that infinite patience brings immediate results. So hopefully that helps. And when there's other things that get in the way of feeling really good, I'm here for you. Thanks.